Hi, my name's Carl and welcome to the video training series. Today we're going to be looking at the options section and looking in postage, and this time we're looking at number 7, postage and handling set as user defined values. Okay, so in here we can actually set some figures. I'll just go back to the store. Okay, so we've selected number 7 and synchronized, and then we've opened the store. And in here, we have various freight zones. So if I click on that and go add freight zone, okay, so for instance, Australia, and we'll say that the charge is $25 to freight this item anywhere in Australia. Okay, but for instance, if it is cheaper to freight in Victoria, we select country, go down to Victoria, and we'll say on this one here it's going to be $20. Set and close, and let's just say that in Western Australia it costs $40 to freight. Okay, here too you can set the number of items per shipment. So for instance, it might be up to 2 or 3 items and the charge is $40. So if for instance, if somebody purchases, if we had this set for 3 items, and somebody purchases 1 item, the cost will be $40. 2 items, the cost will be $40, and 3 will be $40. 4 items, it will double and go to $80. Okay, I'll just bring that back down to 1 for a second. Okay, so what happens here, somebody purchases a product, and if they're in Victoria, their freight will be $20. If they're in Western Australia, their freight will be $40, and anywhere else in Australia will be $25. We can also select allow quote later if different countries selected for mixed orders. So for instance, if we had, I'll just save that, if this one here, we had a freight zone of Australia, so 25. Okay, set and close. Oops, hang on. Set and close, and we'll add a freight zone. Now, where it says edit countries, here you've got a whole list of countries that you can actually add, countries that you might want to ship to, and obviously in there'll be some countries that you wouldn't want to ship to. So we'll just select New Zealand. We'll go add. So then we have the New Zealand freight zone. So we'll just select $35 on that one. Okay. So in this situation, if we select that, and a customer purchased one of these items and also an item here that you only shipped to Australia, it will say allow quote later if different countries selected for mixed orders. So in other words, this one here you've approved for New Zealand. This one here is not in New Zealand, so this gives us the option to actually to give a quote on that. Okay, so when you allow out of zone orders, you can place your order here, but we'll contact you for delivery costs. Okay, so this means just because a place isn't actually catered for in your specifications, you can actually have this message there, and you can customize that message as well. Also here you can have a discount on multiple freight charges for different products, and the 0 is no discount, or you can offer a discount off a discount off the freight for multiple products purchased. Okay, when you do not allow out of zone orders to display when a freight charge cannot be calculated and no shipping is allowed, you can customize your message here. This could also be please contact us and we will give you a quote for your freight. Okay, the next one is allow $0 postage amounts for store items. Okay, so if I was to select that and go File, Synchronize, okay, we'll just go back to our store. So for instance, this product here, we could have freight at 0. It could be a special that you have on. And then the next product has a price, but this product might be free to freight. So that's how you would actually handle that. Okay, that concludes this video training. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more.